In the past, I've struggled with these foam applicators because they're typically too thick for a lot of my sidewalls that I work on. And if you look here, this is leftover grease from tire shine that has seeped through this applicator. All right, I told you how the foam applicator tends to get saturated with product and gets greasy product all over your hand. Look at this. This is from that applicator that I threw out at the beginning, and it still retains all this tire shine months later from the last time I used it. But with the Autofiber Tire Saver Applicator, it has a hydrophobic layer between the stiff like handle side, if you will, and the microfiber side. And so that product never gets all over your hand like it does on traditional applicators. It's also pretty well a perfect size to get onto the tire, whether it's a high performance tire or a typical SUV tire like you see here. And so it's the right size, so I didn't have to cut it, and it doesn't get product on my hand.